In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all comments in Google Sheets. Now, you might have been using Google Sheets for a while, and perhaps you've been collaborating with others on a shared document. You've likely encountered the situation where comments are used heavily for collaboration, but finding or managing them can be a bit tricky. Well, today, I'm going to make that process simple and straightforward for you. So let's dive in. First, ensure that you have access to the Google Sheet where you need to view the comments. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account that has the necessary permissions. Once that's confirmed, open up your Google Sheet. This can be done through Google Drive or directly from Google Sheets if you have it open in one of your tabs. After you have your Google Sheet open, you'll notice a menu bar at the top of the page. This toolbar provides access to various features and functions within Google Sheets. You're going to need to look for the View option in this bar. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, offering multiple options related to visibility settings within your spreadsheet. From this drop-down menu, you will see an option labeled Comments. Click on this option. This menu item serves as a dedicated place to manage and view all the comments within your sheet, regardless of where they are located in the document. Selecting it will open the Comments panel, usually positioned on the right side of your screen. Now, in this comment panel, you'll see a list of all comments made on various cells throughout the document. This is an excellent tool for tracking feedback from collaborators or for reviewing your previous notes. If comments overlap or accumulate over time, this panel will provide a convenient, centralized location for you to navigate between them. Scrolling through the list lets you access any comment thread, and a quick click will take you directly to the corresponding cell in your document. The Comments panel not only displays existing comments, but also allows you to respond or resolve these comments directly within this interface. Resolving a comment will remove it from the list, which is helpful for clearing out old notes or completed discussions. Keep in mind that resolving a comment doesn't delete it. Rather, it just archives it, and you can choose to reopen it anytime if needed. This method ensures that you don't miss any crucial feedback, promotes efficient communication among collaborators, and provides a better organized approach to job completion and workflows. So now that you've seen how to effectively use the View menu and Comments panel, you can streamline your document review and collaboration process in Google Sheets. And that wraps up our guide today. We hope you found it insightful and can now confidently manage your comments in Google Sheets. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.